Hello friends, we're having unloading this platform, structural platform. They are currently putting some softener to avoid damage of the web sling. For safety purposes, we have to put some softener. They're currently putting softener, unloading. Once again, friends, how are you there? I hope you are all doing fine. Unloading this structural platform from the trailer. Going to swing now. Boom up, voice down. By the way, friends, I am using only auxiliary hook. The load is very small, so no need for big hook, no need for the main hook. I'm hoisting down. My rigger asked me to swing to the right. Touching to the ground, swing again to the right. The rigger is asking for boom down. Now asking hoist down. Finally guys, the load is in the ground now. Removing the sling. Another one there. Thank you guys.